Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to stream movies on Discord. So if you are watching movies on internet or locally, and you want your friends to invite them and in the Discord, and you want them to watch on the Discord, so you guys can do this. You guys have to simply open up any of the channel in Discord, and after opening up the channel you guys have to simply join the voice channel by tapping on it. So after tapping on it, voice channel will be added. So here you guys have to simply go to this option, which is share your screen. So you guys have to simply click on it. So after clicking on it, it will provide you three menus. The first one is Chrome tab. So Chrome tab is if you are watching movies in Google Chrome, or if the movie is playing in another tab, then you guys have to simply select that tab and you guys can click on share. And if you want to allow your friends to watch movies through your window locally, so you guys have to simply click on it and select the window according to where you are watching movies. So you guys have to simply select that window. And if you want to completely capture or completely stream the full screen, so you guys have to simply select this option. And right now assume that we want to share the screen of YouTube, because we want to watch movies from YouTube and we want to stream it on Discord. So we have to simply select the here YouTube and make sure to allow this option, because it allow the YouTube voice to allow in Discord. So after that you have to simply click on share. So after clicking on share, your entire screen will be shown to Discord, and in this way you guys can stream whole movies on Discord. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.